Hey guys, Ben with Reclaimed Living here. Still working on my kitchen and it's going to be a while. So the kitchen's not ready. The oven's not ready. But I'm ready. So I'm going to start doing a little cooking. I've got some beautiful short ribs here. I'm going to take some of the fat off. And we'll take it from there. It's no big deal. I mean, it's got a lot of fat in it to begin with. You know, just clean it up a little bit. That's all. Because, I mean, there's a lot of flavor in these. And it's going to be delicious. It's all good. I say that a lot, don't I? All good. Yeah, it's all good. Life is good. Can't complain. And if I did, who'd care enough to bother with me? It's all good. Here we go. Just a little bit. Just taking a little off, not too much. Just cleaning it up a little bit here and there. That's all. It's all good. Again with the all good. All right. That's about it. Said I'm not gonna go crazy with it. Okay, it's all cleaned up. I'm gonna put a little extra virgin olive oil on it. Okay, gonna put a little pepper and a little salt. We're gonna do that on both sides. Okay. Yeah, I use my right hand like a fork. It's all good. Again. There we go. Okay, this is gonna go on the stove. Gonna brown it all around for about, 2 minutes. Bounce it around, then it's gonna go in the oven. I'm gonna chop up some onions. Some of that off. Okay, the onions going. Smash some of these garlic cloves. There you go. There you go. There you go. And there you go. So I got the cast iron pot going. Little olive oil in there. You don't want it to stick. I got it at about medium-high heat. And away we go. You hear that? That's love right there, Jack. Small pot, but you know what? It's all good. Works for me. Just gonna brown them a little bit. And I'm gonna take it in the oven at around 300 degrees. There you go, lots of flavor here, Jack. to brownish out on one side. I don't want to overcook it. Just want to sear it in. And then I'll take it from there. Here you go. So this will be the last side that I'm browning. And then I'm going to add some onions. I'm going to do that right now. Just going to chuck them in there. Now more melt down. Now I can move them around a little bit. Put those onions on the bottom, it's okay. It's going to be fine. A little flavor there. Lots of flavor. Lots of flavor. Yep. There you go. Put a little garlic in there. Chunks of garlic. Pop it in there. Okay. Okay, the onions are caramelizing. You can see they're getting translucent. Now we're gonna add some wine, a little dry wine. That's it. Now she goes in the oven. Move it around a little bit. Give it some room. I'm going to cover it, and it's going to go in the oven for about 2 hours. Then the meat should fall right off the bone. And it's going to be delicious. She's bubbling. She's going to be shut down now. This is after a half hour. You want to mix it up a little bit, turn it around, get some of that wine and juices all the way around, and then just put it back in. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 20 minutes. Let's see what we got. Wow. That's love. Okay, the short ribs are almost done. I've got about another 15-20 minutes to go there. So I've pulled out a little pizza dough. It's not my original dough recipe that I make, but it's a good one to work with that I get in my local shop. So I'm just going to thin it out a little bit and make a little bread. I'm going to throw it in the toaster oven actually, and it's gonna come out delicious. You know, mangiamo figlio mio, mangiamo. It's all good stuff. Let's stretch it out, and we'll take it from there. It's all good. Here we go. All right, a little olive oil, never hurt nobody. Okay, a little salt, just a touch, not a whole lot of salt. There you go, a little sprinkle, a little pepper. I like to use rosemary in this, so I'm going to sprinkle a little of this on. And one more thing. Got some oregano. What's going on? There you go. Just a little oregano. Yeah, lots of love there. It's gonna go in my toaster oven for I guess about 10 minutes. Okay, it's about 2 hours. Look at that. The bone is off, all by its lonesome. This is gonna be delicious. Well, it's out of the oven. It looks very, very yummy. Rabbit ears, just in time for Easter. The aroma is intoxicating. So, I'm gonna get down and start scarfing it up. Yep, yummy in my tummy. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Is that love or what? Yummy, yummy, yummy.